You asked, how to divide 3912 by 3 using the long division method. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Bring down 9, making 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Bring down 1, making 1. 1 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Bring down 2, making 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1304.